and welcome to my channel Irzum Tech. Today we're gonna talk about that how you can write Chinese on your mobile phone. First of all, you need to do is to open your Play Store. After that, here you need to write Pinyin, and then you will see that Google Pinyin input. Install it. I will also tell you that how you can write Chinese without using this software. But I really like this Google Pinyin input. It's very easy to use. Now open it, enable in settings, and then Google Pinyin input. Okay, select input method and Google Pinyin input, and that's all you need to do. Now you can write Chinese. Okay, so let me show you that how it looks like. Ni hao. Ni hao ma. As you can see, it's very easy to write Chinese using this Google Pinyin input method, and also you can swipe to English, so you can write English as well. Okay, now let me show you that how you can do this without using any software. First you need to do is to go to settings of your phone, and then you can search it language and input, and then languages. Okay, so add language, Chinese, simplified Chinese,
中国
Okay, that's all. Now you have the simplified Chinese without using any software, and I can show you that how you write this. So here, when you install Google Pinyin input, you will see that word I button with a space bar. Press this and it will show you your mobile keyboard input methods. Okay, it's Espanol, English. Okay, now you have Chinese. Ni hao. Ni hao ma. That's all. You can also write this without using any software. Isn't it easy? Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do like, comment and subscribe. If you want anything else, just comment down below and I will make a video on it. Stay tuned. Goodbye.